Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve if your Wi-Fi is connected but you still don't have access to the internet. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if your Wi-Fi is connected but still you don't have access to internet, first thing you want to check is that it is itself not the Wi-Fi issue, because sometimes it could just so happen that your very own Wi-Fi or your ISP is not providing the internet properly. So you can try to turn off the Wi-Fi toggle and turn on again. If your Windows comes with the flight mode, then you can also turn on the airplane mode and then just turn it back off, then turn on Wi-Fi to see if that actually helps you. Then once you've done that, you can just hit this little shutter button over here, Windows icon, click the power option and then just click on the restart option to restart and hopefully solve the issue. So this way you should be able to solve if your Wi-Fi is showing connected but it's not actually working. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.